Cathay Pacific has just reopened its flagship lounge at Beijing Capital International Airport after a year-long renovation, and it's already being hailed as one of the most refined lounges in mainland China. Located in Terminal 3 near Gate E20, the lounge operates daily from 5 a.m. until the last departure, serving as a critical hub for Cathay's 7 daily return flights between Hong Kong and Beijing. Designed with human-centric comfort at its core, the new space replaces the traditional counter with a podium-style reception, leading into a main lounge that feels like a sophisticated home with cozy seating, curated lighting, and artwork from the team behind Cathay's Gallery in the Skies. Guests can enjoy 3 distinct dining experiences, including the iconic noodle bar offering freshly made wonton and dan dan noodles, a food hall with Chinese and Western self-serve options, and a tea house where specialists brew an evolving selection of premium Chinese teas. A light-filled terrace veranda adds openness and natural brightness, contrasting the often dim and crowded terminal environment. Access follows standard One World rules, meaning first and business class passengers and One World Emerald and Sapphire members are welcome. The importance of this lounge was underscored by CEO Ronald Lam personally attending the reopening, emphasizing Cathay's unique role of being rooted in Hong Kong, proudly part of China, and connecting the world, while highlighting the airline's 300 weekly return flights to 23 mainland destinations. Compared with rivals like Emirates and Qatar Airways, Cathay Pacific continues to impress with consistency, design, and hospitality, though some may miss a dedicated first-class section like in London Heathrow. Still, with its balance of comfort, dining, culture, and design, the Beijing lounge sets a new benchmark, proving once again that Cathay Pacific knows how to elevate the travel experience both in the air and on the ground. If you enjoyed this look inside Cathay Pacific's new flagship lounge, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest travel and aviation updates.